Hello, boys and girls. On today's episode of Mr. Joppa's Neighborhood, old Brent over here has this little bull dookie, and the little factory snail has taken a dive for the worst. So now I gotta fix it. So I'm about to be out here in the sun. Y'all see my umbrella trying to be smart. I need to get like an actual I need to clean out my garage so I can work on cars in the garage. That'll really be the thing to do. Now I ain't gonna show them that. All right, boom. Y'all see that? Yeah, it look bad. But anyways, so I'm getting ready to take this turbo off. So, you know, on today's episode of The Great Garage is brought to you by the letter 6. Oh, that's a number. I'm not high. I don't do drugs.
Weed don't bother me.
I don't like coke. I just like the way it smells. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to get started. We just had to go find some inverted Torx bits. What else we had to get? You had to go get some nut driver.
I don't know shit about nothing. None of that.
That boy was in the parts store struggling.
I'm T-something.
Hey, y'all, never seen your friend that don't know enough about cars to Harbor Freight to go back to. But yeah, I'm about to get set up and get started on this bad boy. Hopefully it doesn't take a long time because it is hot in the fool already. So let's see what happens. Right. So only about 5 minutes in, and I see this right here is super duper broke. Now, being that it's not intercooled, I'm not 100% sure how that works as far as boost pressure being lost. You know, on an intercooled system, if you have a coupler come off or something like that, you will no longer be able to generate boost, or at least not at the proper level. I'm not sure how this works, but I do know that this is no bueno. It's no bueno, no bueno todo. So we about to go to the parts store, see if we can take this hose, cause Brent love these hoes.
Yeah, y'all love all hoes.
we gonna take this hose and see if we can get it at the store, and if it's not a special order thing, I'll come back and I'll plug the feed up, because that's the only thing I've taken off as far as the feed and the shield. So I'll plug the feed up and see what happens. So we'll give us a few minutes and we'll give y'all an update. All right, so as earlier I lied, it is turbocharged. Clearly it's turbocharged. It is intercooled. So this is the upper intercooler pipe. This is the lower. I wasn't paying any attention, so I was just hoping that it was a lot more simple than it was, but pretty sure that the turbo is dead. Got all this stuff off, got the feed off, got the standalones off, got all the electrical stuff disconnected, got the O2 sensor off, got the V-band off that connects it to the cat. So I'm going piece by piece. I'm not really filming all this because I'm not making a tutorial. I just want y'all to see pretty much the before and after of this whole little Tom Cruise. we get a little Tom Cruise back to Top Gun status. Little Scientology, little Maverick. So once I get the turbo all the way off, I'll show y'all that. So update. Hey, we made it. As much as we could anyways. Now I gotta put the new one on, which we got the new one over here. And it is so fresh and so clean. And now I gotta put everything back on the way that it came off of the other one. So I'm getting ready to do some flipping and swapping, because I gotta take the old sensors off and all that kind of stuff. I've made quite the mess. It was a lot. I think I've broken every single finger in my hand. That one right there is gonna be ugly. This one right here is also gonna be ugly. But life goes on. So, you know, I ain't choosing rhyme and chose me. So I hit the track running like a nosebleed. All right. Get ready to get back in here and get this stuff squared away. Well, thanks to the magic of YouTube, approximately half a second has elapsed, and now the new turbo is on and almost everything is hooked up, and this guy has a rag on his head. And we're getting ready to go to the parts store. I got to get 3 bolts that go down to the connect the catalytic converter / downpipe. Got to hook it back up, and I think that's it. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I say I got left. That's it. So, we got this whatever sensor this is. He bought it, so I'm gonna put it on, and yeah, that'll do it. So hopefully here in the next few seconds in YouTube land, I don't know, it could take 6 hours for us, but y'all won't know. So hopefully here in the next few seconds, we'll be firing this bad boy up. So just like Murphy's Law states, anything that can go wrong will at the worst possible time, and that's exactly what happened. So Brent is stuck. Nuke just appeared out of nowhere on a little dirt bike thing. I'm not sure what's going on. I didn't ask any questions. And the V-band clamp, I don't even know what the right clamp is. Anyways, right here. So this flimsy chintzy thing broke, and we will be going to pull apart in the morning, to try to fix this bad boy. Hopefully there are 3 Cruzes out there. Hopefully at least one of them is turbo and it has the V-band clamp, because that's really all we need. So fingers crossed. Oh, you figured it out? All right, so I'm about to try to help get some tension on this chain. and this has just turned into a 2-part episode. So y'all know the business. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You got anything you want to say to the Great Garage?
Yeah, you too. Welcome to Augusta. Can't wait.
You know what time it is. Welcome to Augusta, baby. It's a 3-thing, baby. He messed up my outro. Don't be good, be great.
Like an elevator headed to the pit. Feeling Superman, call me JoppaDaGreat. Got me bent. If you thinking you can overthrow my squad, oh my God, no face shaking when